Hey Techlearners, welcome back. We are working with the matrix series and today we will see one of the most basic operation on matrices, which is matrix multiplication. So let's see what we are going to learn today. First we'll see what is the primary condition to multiply two matrices. Then we'll see the ease method that we can use to multiply matrices, and then we will see examples and we'll practice to multiply the matrices. We'll see how we can multiply 2 by 2 matrices, 1 by 3 with 3 by 1, 2 by 3 with 3 by 2, 1 by 2 with 2 by 3, and so on. So let's start with the first thing, that is the primary condition to multiply matrices. So let us start. Let's say that we have a matrix A and we also have a matrix B and we need to multiply these two matrices. First of all, we need to identify the order of these matrices. So the order of this matrix would be, we can say here we have 1 and 2 rows. So this will be 2 into, and we have 1, 2 and 3 columns. So the order of this matrix is 2 cross 3. Similarly, in the matrix B, we can say we have row 1, row 2 and row 3. So the order of this matrix will be 3 cross, and then we have column 1 and column 2. So the order of this matrix will be 3 cross 2. So first of all, we have identified the order. Now in the orders, we will see that this is row into column, this is also row into column. So for that, just to multiply two matrices, we must have the column of first matrix should be equal to this is the primary condition, where column of the first matrix is equal to the column of the second matrix. Then we can multiply these two matrices, otherwise we will not be able to multiply. Now so we will multiply, what will be the resultant matrix? So the resultant matrix will be, we can take this row and we can take this column. So the resultant would be 2 cross 2. You can see this is 2 and this is 2. So this is the primary condition. Let us check on the second one as well, second example as well. So the order of this matrix would be, we have 2 rows and we have 2 columns. So this would be 2 cross 2. Now the order of this matrix B, you can see we have 1, 2 and 3 rows and we have 3 columns. So order of this matrix is 3 cross 3. Now here we can say in this column is 2 and here in this column is 3, which are not equal to each other. So we will not be able to perform multiplication of A cross B. Let's see one more example in this. So here we can say this is A and this is B. Here the order of matrix A, we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is 2 cross 2, same, that is we have 2 rows and we have 2 columns. So the order of this is also 2 cross 2. Here we can say number of columns is 2 and in this number of rows is 2. So we will be able to multiply this and the resultant would be, so we can say this is 2 cross 2. So the resultant matrix would be 2 cross 2. To understand this primary condition well, let us see few more examples and we'll see whether we can multiply matrices or not, and we'll see what would be the resultant matrix if we can multiply the order of the resultant matrix. Then we'll see the method. So let's check in the first question. We have two matrices A and B. The order of A is 2 cross 3 and the order of B is 3 cross 2. Whether we can multiply these two. So we can say here column is 3, row is 3, both are same. So yes, we can multiply. And what will be the resultant matrix order? So this is 2 cross 2. So this will be 2 cross 2. In the next question, so we can see this is 3 and this is 2. We will not be able to multiply these two matrices. In the third example, we have column 3 and we also have row 3 here. So we can multiply this matrix, and what will be the resultant matrix order? This will be 3 cross 3. So this is C, 3 cross 3. Next, in the fourth example, so here we can say this is 3 and this is also 3. So yes, we can multiply. What will be the resultant? That will be 1 cross 1. So this is 1 cross 1. In the fifth example, we can say this is 3 cross 1, this is 3 cross 2. So this is 1 and this is 3. Definitely we will not be able to multiply these matrices. Now, let's to understand your learning, we'll have a very quick exercise with 5 questions and you just write the answer in the comment box whether we can multiply or not. So let's see those 5 questions. So this is a quick exercise for you. You just have to write in the comment box. If we can say we will be able to multiply this, then just write 1 yes. If it cannot be, then write 1 no. So this is question number 1, order 1 cross 1, 1 cross 3. Just write 1 yes or 1 no. If this can be multiplied, then it should be 1 yes. If this cannot be multiplied, then write 1 no. Similarly, in the second question, this is 3 cross 2 and 2 cross 3. What do you think? Can we multiply these two matrices? Just write 2 yes or 2 no. Similarly, in the third question, this is 2 cross 3 and 2 cross 3. Just write your answer in the comment box, 3 yes or 3 no. Then in fourth, 2 cross 2 and 2 cross 2. Just write in the comment box 4 yes or 4 no. If we can multiply these two, then 4 yes. And if we cannot, then write 4 no. Similarly, question number 5, this is 1 cross 2 and so what do you think? We can multiply these two matrices? If yes, then write 5 no. So this is a quick exercise and check your comments and you will also get to know whether you have learned this primary condition well or not. Now let's move on to the next method, that is actually how we can multiply two matrices. So let us see this example number 1 where we have two matrices A and B. First of all, we'll check whether we can multiply these or not. So the order of this matrix will be 2 by 2 and the order of this matrix will also be 2 by 2. So we can see here this 2 and 2 are equal. So we will be able to multiply and the resultant matrix would be 2 cross 2. So now let's solve how we can write this. Just to find out the multiplication, I simply write this matrix here. So this is A, this is 1, 2, 3, 1 and I'll write B here. So this is 4, 1, 3, 2 and this would be our resultant matrix. Let's say this would be C. So we can say we have 2 rows. So this first row will go here and second row will go here. First column will come here and second column will come here. So just to multiply, we simply write this is 1 comma 2. This is row number 1. We'll repeat this. So this is 1, 2. Just write 1, 2. Similarly, in the second row, we'll write 3, 1. We'll write 3, 1. Supply a multiply sign after every number. So we simply supply a multiply sign. Now we take the column. First column, this is 4 and 3. So we'll supply this in the first column. So this is 4, 3. This is 4, 3. Now second column, we'll supply here. This is 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we'll just have a plus sign in between. And now we need to solve this. We'll have the multiply. So let's solve this. 4 into 1, that is 4, plus 3 2s are 6, this is 10. 1 into 1 is 1, plus 2 2s are 4, this is 5. 3 4s are 12, 1 into 3, 3. So this is 15. Then 3 into 1, 3, plus 1 into 2, 3 plus 2, that is 5. So this is the resultant multiply, that is A cross B. And you can see the order of this matrix is also 2 by 2. You just have to write in this way and you will be able to find out the multiplication of the matrix very easily. Even you don't have to remember which is to be multiplied with this. Let's see another example. So let's see example number 2. Here we have two matrices again, A and B. Let's identify the order of these. So this is have 3 cross 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. This is also 3 cross 3. We have 3 rows and 3 columns. So here it is 3, here it is 3. Yes, we can multiply these two matrices. What will be the resultant? That will also be a 3 cross 3 matrix. Calculate C. So we'll write C as this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So we'll have 3 rows here and 3 columns here. So I'll repeat this first row in the first row 3 times. So this is 1, 2, 3. Then I'll write 1, 2, 3. And also I'll write 1, 2, 3. Similarly, we'll write second row. So this is 2, 1, 1. This is 2, 1, 1. This is 2, 1, 1. And in the third row, this is 4, 1, 3. This is 4, 1, 3. This is 4, 1, 3. I'll supply a multiply sign after every such number. So I'll write multiply after every such number. So this is multiply. In this way, you don't have to memorize. So this is a multiply sign after every number. Okay. Now the next part is we'll use the second matrix and we'll use the columns and we'll supply this column here, and this column here. So we'll simply write 2, 1, 3. So this is 2, 1, 3 and we'll write a plus sign in between. Then again 2, 1, 3. We'll write a plus sign again. Then we'll have 2, 1, 3. Then we'll have a plus sign in between. Then the second one, 1, 2, 1. So we'll simply write 1, 2, 1. We'll have a plus sign in between. Then 1, 2, 1. We have plus sign in between. 1, 2, 1. We have a plus sign in between. Then the third column we'll supply here. So this will be 1, 0 and 2. We'll have a plus sign in between. We have 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2. We have a plus sign in between. We have 1, 0, 2. We have a plus sign in between. And now we just need to solve this and we'll have the resultant matrix C. So let us solve all these. So we can say 2 into 1, 2, plus 2 into 1, 2, plus 3 into 3, 9. So 4, 9, 30. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2, 4, plus 3 into 1, 3, 4, 7 and 1, 8. Last is 1 into 1 is 1, plus 2 into 2, 2 is 6, 6 plus 1, that is 7. Next is 2 into 2, that is 4. 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into 1, that is 3, 4, 3, 1, 7, this is 8. Next is 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 2 into 2, 1 into 1 is 2. So 2 plus 1, that is 5. Next is 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 into 0, that is 0, plus 2 into 1 is 2, 2, 2, this is 4. So we'll write 4. Last row, 4 into 2, that is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. 1 into 1 is 1, 3 3s are 9. So we have 18. Then next is 4 into 1 is 4, 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 1 is 3. So this is 4 into 4 plus 2 plus 3, that is 69. And the last one is 4 into 1 plus 1 into 0 is 0, 3 into 2, that is 6. 6 4s are 10. So you can see this is a 3 cross 3 matrix multiplication. Let's continue and solve another matrix. Now let us see 1 cross 3 and 3 cross 1 example here. You can see the order of this matrix is 1 cross 3 and the order of this matrix is 3 cross 1. So we can say this 3 and this 3 is equal. So the resultant matrix would be 1 cross 1. So let's write this C. So here we can say we have only one row. So we just write one row and here it is only one column. So we have to write this once. So this is 1, 2 and 3. We have just written this once. Then we'll supply a multiply sign after every number and then we'll have this into the column place. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 1. So this will be the resultant. So this is 1 cross 1 plus 2 2s are 4 and this is 3 1s are 3. So 3 plus 4 7 and this is 8. So we have a 1 cross 1 product. This is C. Let's see another example. Now let's see the example number 1 where we can multiply 2 cross 3 with 3 cross 2. Here we have two matrices A and B. The order of this matrix is 3 cross 2. Sorry, this matrix is 2 cross 3. So we have 2 rows and 3 columns. In this we have 3 cross 2. So this is 3 cross 2. So here the 3 and the 3 are same. So we'll be able to multiply this and the resultant will be a 2 by 2 matrix. So let's write a 2 by 2 matrix. So as it is a 2 by 2 matrix, we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So just we have 2 columns and we'll repeat this twice. So this is 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Then the second row 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 1. And we'll supply a multiply sign in between all these elements. So let me write the multiply sign here. And now we'll supply these columns, column 1 here and column 2 here. So 1, 3, 1. We'll write a plus sign. Then again 1, 3, 1. We'll write plus sign again. Then this is 2, 1, 4. So we'll use 2, 1, 4 plus sign in between. 2, 1, 4 plus sign in between. And then we'll solve it. So let us solve it. 1 cross 1 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 3 into 1. So this is 10. Next is 2 into 1, that is 2 plus 2 plus 3 into 4, that is 12. So this will be 16. Next is 1 into 1, that is 1. 4 3s are 12. 1 into 1, that is 1. So this is 14. Next is 2 into 1, 2 plus 4 into 1, 4 plus 1 into 4, that is 4. So this will be 10. So we have this 2 by 2 resultant product of A and B. Let's see the next example. Example number 5, which is 1 cross 2 and 2 cross 3. So we can see the order of this is 1 cross 2 and the order of this matrix is 2 cross 3. So here it is 2, here it is 2. We will be able to multiply these two matrices. The resultant matrix will be 1 by 3, which means the resultant matrix will have one row, but it will have 3 columns. So for these 3 columns, I'll repeat this row 3 times. So this is 1, 2, 1, 2, and this is 1, 2. I'll supply a multiply sign in between. So I'll supply a multiply sign, and then I'll supply columns here. Column 1 here, column 2 here, and column 3 here. So this will be 2, 1, and plus. Then this is 1, 3, plus. Then this is 1, 2, plus. Now we solve it. So this will be 2 into 1, 2, plus 2, 2 2s are 4. This is 1 into 1, 1, plus 3 2s are 6, that is 7. 1 into 1 is 1, plus 2 2s are 4. So this is 5. So you can see this is the product of these two matrices, and the resultant matrix is 1 cross 3. So the order of this matrix is 1 cross 3. Now let's see the biggest example. We will multiply the 4 by 4 matrix. So here is the example number 6, that is we are having 4 cross 4 two matrices. So this is 4 cross 4 and this is also 4 cross 4. So this is 4 and this is 4. We will be able to multiply this. This is the primary condition. The resultant will be 4 cross 4. So C will be equal to, I'll write every row 4 times because this is a 4 cross 4. So we have 4 rows and we have 4 columns. So I'll repeat every row 4 times here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 1. Again 1, 2, 3, 1. Again 1, 2, 3, 1. Again 1, 2, 3, 1. Then the next row would be 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2. Then the third row 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. Then the last row 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll supply a multiply sign after every number. So this is all we need to write, multiply sign. So we are done with the multiplication signs. Now we'll supply the second matrices column. So this first column will be supplied here, the second column will be supplied here, the third column will be supplied here, and the fourth column will be supplied here. 1, 2, 5, 4. So this will be 1, 2, 5, 4, and we'll have a plus sign in between. Then again 1, 2, 5, 4, plus sign in between. 1, 2, 5, 4, plus sign in between. 1, 2, 5, 4, plus sign in between. Then the second column, this is 0, 3, 3, 1. So we have 0, 3, 3, 1, plus sign in between. This is 0, 3, 3, 1, plus sign in between. This is 0, 3, 3, 1, plus sign in between. 0, 3, 3, 1, plus sign in between. Then this is the third column. We have to supply 1, 4, 2, 1. So I'll write 1, 4, 2, 1, plus sign in between. 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 And the last column 1, 0, 1, 2. So we'll have 1, 0, 1, 2, plus sign in between. This is 2. Next is 1, 0, 1, 2, plus sign in between. 1, 0, 1, 2, plus sign in between. 1, 0, 1, 2, plus sign in between. Now we need to solve all these values so that we will get the resultant matrix. So let us solve these matrices, these values. So we can have this is 1 into 1, that is 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 5s are 15, and 4 1s are 4. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 15, 20, 20, and 4, this is 24. Next is 1 into 0 is 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 1 into 1. So we can have 6 and 9, 15, and 1, 16. Then 1 into 1 is 1, plus 2 into 4 is 8, 3 into 2 is 6, and 1 into 1 is 1. So 8, 1, 9, 9 and 6 is 15, and 1, 16. Next is 1 into 1 is 1, plus 2 into 0 is 0, plus 3 into 1 is 3, plus 1 into 2 is 2. So this is 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 2, that is 6. In the next row, 4 into 1 is 4, plus 2 into 1 is 2, plus 3 into 5 is 15, plus 2 into 4 is 8. So this is 4 2s are 6, 16 and 15, 21, 21 and 8, this is 29. Next is 4 into 0, that is 0, plus 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 3 is 9, 2 into 1 is 2. So we can have 3, 9 and 2, that is 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Next is 4 into 1 is 4, plus 1 into 4 is 4, plus 3 2s are 6, plus 2 into 1, that is 2. 6, 4, 10, 14 and 2, 16. So we have 16. 4 into 1 is 4, plus 1 into 0 is 0, 3 into 1 is 3, 2 into 2 is 4. So we have 4 plus 3, that is 7. 7 plus 4, which is 11. So we have the second row, and the similar pattern we have 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 5 into 1 is 5, 3 into 4 is 12. So 4 plus 1, 5, 5, 5, 10, and this is 22. Next is, this is 0, 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 6 3 9, 9 and 3 12. Next is 1 plus 2 4s are 8, plus 1 2s are 2, plus 3 1s are 3. So this is 8 2 10, 10 and 11, 11 and 3 14. So we have 40. Next is 1 into 1 is 1, plus 2 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 1 is 1, 3 2s are 6. So we have 8 here. We are left with last row only. So this is 4 into 1, that is 4, plus 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 4 1s are 4. So this is 10, 10, 20 and this is also 24. 4 into 0 is 0, 3 into 3 is 9, plus 2 3s are 6, plus 1 into 1 that is 1. 6 and 9 15 and 1 16. Next is 4 into 1 4, 3 4s are 12, plus 2 2s are 4, plus 1 into 1 that is 1. So this will be 16 and 21. Next is, and the last one, 4 into 1 that is 4, 3 into 0 that is 0, plus 2 into 1 that is 2, and lastly 2 into 1 that is 2. 4 2 6 and this is 8. So we can see we have solved a 4 cross 4 matrix multiplication as well. I hope you have liked the video and you have learned matrix multiplication in a very quick. So please comment if you have any questions and then follow and subscribe the channel for more such good videos.